In this video, I will show you step by step how to download the Bitcoin Core on your computer or laptop. It's the official software of the Bitcoin network. It allows you to store, send, and receive Bitcoin. And it also helps you with verifying transactions by connecting directly to the Bitcoin network. Let's get started. What you're gonna do now is you're going to open any web browser and search bitcoincore.org. And here what you're gonna do is to simply go here and click download. And here you're going to click download Bitcoin Core. And here, as you can see, it's now downloaded. You're going to simply click it. And here we're going to click yes. Here you're going to click next. And here click next again. Then you're going to click install. And this is all you need to do to download Bitcoin Core on your computer or laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.